I gave you this. What does that mean as an exponent?
Square root.
Okay, this means square root. So as an exponent, how do I write it?
Squared.
No, not squared. No. That's how I undo it.
It's nothing.
No, what's the exponent of this?
I don't know.
So like remember
Times
we
it by
said
half.
x, yes, it's to the 1/2 power.
Yes.
Okay, so the square root meant 1/2. Agreed? And then we said, okay, if that means 1/2, what does cube root mean?
Third.
1/3 power.
Are we on 9.6?
Nope, it's not in your book. This is the stuff you need to know.
What?
All right, so if I said 4th root, what power would it be?
Quadratic.
The
1/4.
1/4 power. Okay, so we're going through here. Whatever is here is the numerator or denominator of your fraction. The denominator that matches here. So square root is assumed to be what? Because they'll never write it in. What's the square root assumed to be? 2. So this is assumed to be 2, so the fraction has a denominator of 2. So the rational part comes from the radical. Whatever is on the wedge tells you what the denominator is. Good so far.
But how many times x powers you just get x.
What do you multiply? When you multiply exponents, what do you multiply? You have to remember that. What does,
Applies fraction.
let's get rid of this so we can do the whole thing.
What? I just got that down.
What is x squared to the 1/2 power? What do you do with the 2 and the 1/2?
It is multiplied.
You multiply them. So that's x to the 2 over 2. What's 2 over 2? 1. That's why they cancel.
So why can't
This
this
card.
like
This skirter.
is what's half of this?
It's not always going to be 1.
Well, what's half of this? Like
It's not half of that. It's half of the exponent.
what's half of
That's a
that?
completely different thing, Jacob. What?
One.
Oh, my hands are up here.
So do I need to take his iPad away too?
I think you
You
should.
say
Yeah, you
iPad?
said
I said
iPad. Robert has
Okay, so if I write, are you listening?
No.
36 to the 1/2 power, what am I asking you to do?
Divided by 2.
I don't
No,
know.
I'm not asking you to divide it.
Wait, wait,
I'm asking you to take the square root. So this and this are the same thing.
What's? Oh.
This is called the rational exponent form. This is called the radical form. So
Radical.
this is a rational exponent, and this is radical.
Which one's easier?
In your homework, they're going to make you flip between the two.
What's?
No.
Why?
No, they are. Okay, so now do you know the square root of 36?
Did you make them?
6.
6. And you're done. Am I completely right there?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
No.
What is the square root of 36?
6.
6 and 6 power?
6 and?
No.
Negative 6. So this could be 6 or negative 6. Which radicals are going to give you 2 answers and which are going to give you 1?
I don't like
The odds are going to give you
the-
1 and
The
the
odds are going to give you 1 and the evens are going to give you 2. So if I'm taking the cube root, how many answers am I going to get?
3.
1.
1.
Clam.
Because the cube root is odd, so that means there's 1 answer. So if it's a positive number here, my answer is going to be,
So we're going to find something that goes
Yep. You got to find something that goes into 64, how many times?
3.
3. Okay, I know the answer.
4.
4.
Do you guys know that?
3.
If I had it up there, would you know
4
it?
times
No.
4
Yeah,
is
yeah, I
16
know.
times 4 is
You know how to do it.
64.
How do you do
You
it?
just find the square root and then you square that quick and then it's your...
Square root gives you a 4th root, so no, that would not work.
No, the square, so like the square root of 64 is
8.
8 and then you do,
You better not tell me the square root of 8 is 4.
no, 4 times 2.
You divide the 2 by the, you divide 8 by 2 and then you
You're
get 4.
looking
It's not
for
square.
3 things that equal 64. So what would you do with this if you didn't know?
You tree it.
And what are we going to put down here?
4.
2
If
is
you know
not
4, I would assume you would have went to this.
I would have done 4, but,
Oh.
you know.
And then 8 is
2 and 4.
2, 4, and 2, 2.
Then 4.
So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2.
What groups are we looking for?
Oh, the same one.
Twos. So how many?
4.
I want groups
Three,
of
four.
how many?
2.
No, no.
2.
I want groups of 3. I want groups of 3. Whatever the denominator is what I'm looking for. So I have, there's a group of 3, and there's a group of 3. What would I do with that 2 times 2?
Times up. Multiply.
Multiply them, and my answer is
Like 6.
4.
What?
Wait.
If you multiply them all, that 6.
2 times 2 is 4. Oh.
What the? How would you multiply? What the? 2 times 2. There's 6 2s up there.
Oh my God!
We're looking for a group of 3. This group of 3 comes out as 1, 2. This group of 3 comes out as 1, 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, calculators. Everybody ready?
No.
Calculator out.
I don't have calculator.
See, I'm writing down.
Your calculator will help you.
Here's one.
Can I buy this for like $5? God bless the soul.
4. Really? I think it's
Okay, like Maddie's type of calculator. You look at hers, it has a somewhere.
somewhere.
I don't even know what
Right there.
buttons do.
See the caret key? Above it, there's an X
yeah.
button.
Really?
Oh, I see it. So if you look, you have a button that looks like that.
So,
So you go 3,
So
second,
that will let you
6,
take
4.
any root. So you do 3, you push your X button, and you type in 64, and it will give you 4 as an answer.
So we don't even know how this is called. It's got to put it
Carrot,
on.
you mean?
This is called.
You're the carrot, you know.
This is called.
What?
I got it.
On carrot.
Carrot. Why are you putting on carrots and carrots?
Carrots in your garage. Calculadora, not calculadora.
If I did it that way, I got 4. I just did, I split it first and then I did 3.
You know about it, then you know.
Okay.
What's your grade?
I have my calculator, but,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, we got it.
Who else needs help?
No, you did it wrong.
Hello, board.
There's like a box for where the 3 goes already. So you have to put
Okay, if you don't have that key, we can say this is 64 to the, what fractional exponent is that? So you do 1 divided by 3, and it will give you the answer. Did that help you, Brady?
64 carrot. 1 divided by 3.
I like carrot.
What if, oh, you got 16 to the 1/4. Never mind, do your practice, then I'll help tell you.
I got it.
16 to the 1/4 power.
This is so cheesy.
Write it in radical, and then tell me the answer.
Isn't it
What
already
happens
in
if I
radical?
did it?
No,
I got it
it's
right
in
with the pencil.
fractional.
I got it right with the
So it's
pencil.
in rational.
It's in rational right now, I want it in radical.
This is card
So you have to write it like this first.
This is quarter.
What?
No questions.
I don't want it.
What goes on the ledge?
4.
Because I'm taking the 4th root of,
Wait,
What?
are you done?
Cut the
I
4th
think-
root of 16.
what is the 4th
That
root?
equals 2.
That equals 2.
This card, be careful.
And negative 2.
Yeah, it's
Or
one
negative
question.
Yes.
Or negative
Say
2.
it again.
Or negative 2. Did she say?
Oh, good job. Did you hear Jordan?
No.
He said, I forgot because this is an even. So this is +2 or,
Minus.
so it's plus or minus.
This is
You are
I've seen
amazing.
an occurring theme. You
Okay.
you take the bottom one divided by 2 and it gives you your answer. It's a recurring theme. Because the first one was if you took 18 divided by 2.
8 divided by 2, because like you figured out what two numbers got. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and that is your answer.
No, it will not work. Okay, let's say I put a 3 here and I put a 7 here. How would I rewrite that as fraction? 7 to what power?
Times what by 1/2? I mean,
No.
a third.
Because this is 1 over 3, right? 'Cause that's my denominator.
Yeah.
What if I make this a 5? Now what's my fraction gonna be?
You have times it by 5, don't you?
Oh, times what by 5?
1/5.
Wait, can you use decimals?
Wait, no, you have to times the 1/3 by 5.
1/3 times 5 is what?
5/3.
5/3. So this becomes a
5.
5. This is so when you're doing this part is the denominator,
Okay.
and the part that's on your number is the numerator. Making sense?
How would you put
Wait.
that into your?
Whoa.
How would you put that into your calculator?
Yeah, 'cause-
You got the X button, right?
Uh-huh.
So you would do 3, your X button, 7 to the, you have another button with an X up here, right? To the 5th power.
Okay, let's try it.
I get 2, 25.6151397.
Maybe, I made it up, so I don't know.
Why can't you solve it the first way?
Oh, no!
Carter, that ain't right.
Why can't I just solve it the first way?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna have a warrior practice.
Warrior practice?
I don't use history.
25.615, you all right?
Wait, how'd you do that?
Okay,
Boy.
so you can do, stop. 3, X button, then you have to do your number to a power button. 7 to the 5th. You could also do, are you listening? Yep, it goes like this. 7 to the 5 divided by 3 power.
So I can't figure out why
Okay, on your calculator? I think we're going to start separating.
No, I laughed at her because you said, are you listening? Yup.
25.
Are we good?
15139.
Okay, where's the numerator at?
The thing, the 5.
3.
Where's the denominator?
3.
Not right now.
We started.
Okay. Now, I have 36 to the 3/2 power. So what kind of radical is it going to be? What kind of radical? What's the denominator?
2.
2. Do I have to put a 2 here?
No.
No. But can I?
Yeah.
I can. And then what's my number? My 3 tells me I have 36 cubed. Everybody good? So if you were working this on the calculator, you would take 36 and cube it, and then take the square root of that number. But you can do this one in your head, if you cheat a little bit. Because that 3 can either go there, or on the outside of the parentheses. You know the square root is 36. 6. Then 6 cubed is 216.
I do
One.
love.
So, they
Can
can
we
be
do the bottom
done.
one?
What?
Can we do the bottom one?
Yep.
On every single one?
Sometimes some are easier than the
Wait,
others.
can you show that?
But yeah, you can always do
Can you
it.
show us the hard one?
No, don't
No,
show us the
try
hard
yours.
one. Just let us do our
You gotta
practice.
practice.
Is our practice the hard one?
It's not real hard.
This is
It's a little bit hard. Okay, what's the first thing you're gonna do? What radical are you taking?
I don't know.
3.
The cube root of
27
27.
times 4.
Then you're gonna take that answer, not times 4, to the 4th power. What's the cube root of 27?
I don't know.
9.
No. 3.
22.
And what's 3 to the 4th power?
81.
81.
81. I'm not.
Mrs. Carter, we got a problem. We got a problem over here.
How did you do that?
You're lying.
We have a problem.
You take the cube root of
I
27,
got ooh
I
problemo.
tried that.
and then you take that answer to the fourth.
Yeah, I think so. Three.
Ooh problemo over here.
You take that to the fourth.
Ow.
But I don't know how to do that.
Okay, let's go.
Where is
Hey,
it?
here's your card.
I don't know.
Okay, let's go.
That's a trick question, it's no cheese.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Mrs. Carter.
What's KSO?
You can take
Okay, let's go.
KSS.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
What happened?
All right, are you ready? Go.
Okay, let's go. You make two then.
I don't know. Okay, now, other things you have to know is if I have a like base, their exponents are equal. What's a base?
Bottom.
Denominator.
Not
The
the
no,
three.
it's the numerator times the numerator. Done by
Number that both reduce
It's the
to.
big number or
The
the number
exponent.
with the exponent, right?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, so when we are here,
Are those
Big
coefficients?
number.
Shut children's mouths.
How many seconds?
you don't have many, you're down to 22. And we're gonna have a quiz of my choice. And I think completing the square would be a good one.
Okay.
All right, so here, what's your base? 3.
3.
So 3 is the base. Are they the same?
Yes.
So since they're the same, that means their exponents are equal. So x equals 5, and that's your answer.
That's it?
Well, yeah, and they're that easy.
That's hard. Yeah.
Okay, now let's go here. I have 3 to the 3x plus 1 equals 81. Are the bases the same?
Yes.
No.
No. So that means I need to get the largest one down to the smallest one. So what one do I need to work with? And what do I want it to be? Base of
3.
3. So what you do is you
Not
take
three.
81. Okay,
9.
no. What number do I want it to be down
Three.
to?
3.
So we take out 3 until we get where we want to be.
3.
3 and
7.
27.
This part on.
3 and
9.
9, because you're gonna mess up if you do that.
And 3.
How many 3s do I have? Yeah, but
Four.
don't always-
That's 4.
4.
Wait, what?
So this is 3 to the 4. Okay, the reason we don't do 9 and 9
Oh, I get
is
it now.
because
I got it.
you don't either, guys.
Yes, I do.
Be quiet. The reason is I'm not always going to be down to a prime number. 3 happened to be prime, so your way would have worked. Sometimes I'll be at 6 or 8 or 10, and I have to get it down to those bases. So you always take out the base you're looking
Yes,
for.
yeah, I did get
Mrs.
it.
Carter, I have a-
All right, what?
is this just a quick thing here? Is 3x
All
plus
right.
1 equals 4, so like it could just go to 3 to the 4th right away.
No, how would you even know that?
Because 3 times 3x plus 1 is 3x plus 1 is 3 to the 4th, so you could just,
What is he talking
I
about?
have no idea.
3x.
So 3 to the 3x plus 1 equals 3 to the 4. 3's are the same. So now you have 3x plus 1 equals 4. Now we're down to easy math. Remember this when you guys complained about this? Okay, who goes away there?
Yeah.
-1, there went the chaperone.
Nine.
Oh,
There's the girlfriend.
God.
X equals
And then Robert
1.
Stallone.
Still don't know what you guys talking about.
Okay, you have 2 of them.
Dang it.
find covalent.
That's why I swat.
Okay, even stop.
What's she number 7?
Equals 5 to what power?
First.
1. Okay. So why is that a little weird?
Because it's on the opposite side.
Yeah, so what do you have to do with that too?
You switch it.
You have
We're
to
gonna have to distribute it. So the 5s go away.
2x minus 2 equals 1.
Okay, keep working. Okay, what do we do first? Up here. First, distribute the 2. So we have 2x minus 2 equals 1. Then what?
X equals 1
Plus 2.
Add 2. So 2x equals 3. Divide by 2. So x equals 3 halves.
1 and 1/2.
Okay.
1.5.
On the bottom one,
Come here.
what base do I want?
6.
6. So what do I take out?
6.
6. So I have to take 216 and I have to factor tree it, but this time instead of prime numbers, I'm factoring into 6s.
6.
So if I take out a 6, what am I left with?
36.
And then I have to take out a 6 again, giving me,
A 6.
how many 6s do I have?
Do you put it for the first one?
So 6, what?
Would you put the 6 to the third in the first one?
Nope, 6x equals 6 cubed. Okay, now, are the bases the same, Brady?
Don't you put like the cube?
What the?
Do you just do that by how many sixes there are?
Yes. You do. 6's cancel, so x equals 3. Do we have questions?
What X? And then all of a sudden you're just like, oh, let's just chuck in 30.
No, if you would have listened the first time I tried explaining this.
No, you just said, no, you're wrong. That's all you said.
No, I told you
All you
why.
said. You're sassy.
Hey, it's up, this car.
Okay, homework time.
Still going.
We're not-